Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents in Bluebeam. We'll start by understanding the fundamental difference between a standard digital signature and a certified signature, which offers enhanced security. Then, I'll guide you through the initial steps to create your unique digital ID, a crucial component for secure signing. This ID acts as your personal identifier, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of your signed documents. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, open Bluebeam Revu and navigate to the Sign Document tool. Here, you'll choose to create a brand new digital ID file. You'll then be prompted to input your personal details, including your full name, email address, and the organization you represent. It's vital to set a strong, memorable password for this ID, as it protects your signature from unauthorized use. Remember, this ID is your digital fingerprint. Once your digital ID is ready, applying it is straightforward. Select the Digitally Sign option, usually found under the Document menu. Next, simply click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle on the document where you wish your signature to appear. From the options, select your newly created digital ID. Finally, confirm your signature by entering the password you set earlier. Your document is now digitally signed. After signing, you can easily validate any digital signature by clicking on it, confirming its authenticity. For even greater security, consider a certified signature. This advanced option locks the document, preventing any further modifications and ensuring its integrity 100%. Applying a certified signature follows a similar process, but adds an extra layer of protection, making it ideal for legally binding documents, where preserving the original content is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.